Okay, we're out with a Massey today. I did a bad thing. I tore up these seals when I got 2 new ones at the local dealer. Here's what they look like. Inevitably, these are right on the bucket area. This particular case, I caught this with some barbed wire and wasn't paying attention, and it ended up getting it and cutting it up pretty good. But anyway, luckily I only got 2 of them. I'll probably need to replace this one as well. But I'm going to go ahead and pull these off and replace them. They're pretty easy. Give you some part numbers here to save you some time. It's an 8mm socket or a hex. And the part number is a AL5215131. I'll give you, hopefully that'll come through on camera there. To my understanding, these actually fit a lot of different ones. The easiest way I found to get them out is an impact wrench, and that will come off real easy. You can kind of see there, it's tore up pretty bad. It needed to be replaced. I need to pull this bolt out. It basically goes in like so. And usually just the force of that impact gun, this is fairly low. I'm going to clean that off for a bit back together. But you kind of do this with a little bit of weight on the bucket. It will kind of help get the maximum impact. And usually the force of the impact gun will actually push the pin out on the other side. You'll need to kind of push in on it. Make sure you're in the slot. These do have keepers on the other side. Stopped on this lower one because I noticed it wasn't going in, and usually these will get dirt and what have you in them. Again, I'm doing the wall project, which is an unusually long-term thing. I usually keep this pressure washed, but I'm using it right now and it hadn't been washed in well over 2 weeks. I'm just going to clean that out before I pop this off. Now we got to get the connection. This one's going to be a little more difficult. I may have to get the bigger ratchet. There we go. That's all there is to it. I'm going to give you a close-up shot of what kind of damage you can do to one of these. As you can see, it busted it up pretty good. This one actually peeled all the way off, and you can see the grease coming out. Anyway, just a real quick tip. Definitely, it is really hot in here today. Anyway, just a quick tip on the GC1720 and other models of Massey that have this rubber seal and washer on its pins. Real quick to do, something you can do out in the field. 8mm socket, and I gave you the part number. I think this fits several of their backhoes and front end loaders. I know on this tractor they're all the same, so if you or buy your Massey dealer or whatever, you may want to pick up one, because inevitably, especially on this backhoe unit, with this boom sticking down. It doesn't take very much, a rock or something to fall in against that and tear it up. Again, you know, I've had this almost 2 years now, and that's the first time I've had to replace them. And that particular damage was done by some actual barbed wire getting caught in the backhoe. I pulled forward and it basically did a sawing motion and cut those up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you like the videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks.